Hello everyone, welcome to bmodeler.com. In the last tutorial, we discussed about how to use the filter to identify the QC of a duct element. How do we use that filter to find a duct without a insulation? The same options can be used in architectural, structural or MEP. And that is one of the way that we find how we can do the QC options. And the similar way, we can do the options in schedule QC options. How do we do that? That's what we're going to see it in this tutorial. Before that, if you want, you can follow me on the LinkedIn, which is in the description on LinkedIn about my profile. Also subscribe and share it with your learning friends. If you like, that will be much more helpful to us. With that, I have the project opened here and I'm under view tab, schedule quantities. Do remember the same thing can be applied for any other Revit elements, or it could be wall or anything. So I'm going with the duct and I can select OK. And I'm going to go with the family name. And if needed, we can select the type as well. And we are discussing about the duct options, duct size options. If you need, you can change, add it. And insulation is the thing that we want to add. So that's it for this QC option. So we can select OK. And if needed, we can change the view name as QC. We can change this, save this as a template. We can use it in the later time as well. So the one way is that we can go ahead and do the sorting and grouping, and you can see the directly this insulation and filter that particular element. It's possible based on the insulation thickness. You can directly see that what elements having 0, and you can directly see them. And on the other way, the second way is that formatting. You can go to the insulation thickness and you can apply a conditions here. Based on the field conditional formatting options. Insulation thickness you can see, or say less than 1 or equal to 0. The conditions are going to be red, fill in color, and you can see the conditions here, and you can select OK. You can see that in red color, so bright, and you will be able to see them what elements are having 0 value. Or you can find out if any elements having lesser values, which shouldn't be. One is a lesser value for the thickness, it shouldn't be. You can apply that condition as well. You can QC them here directly. So when you select this element and you can highlight that in the model, automatically it will highlight in the model as well. You can add an insulation here and select OK. And when you go back to the schedule, it must be applied. Revit is revise instantly. It updates automatically, so you can select all of them and highlight in the model and show, and you can close it. There are 9 elements selected. I can go ahead and add insulation as 1, and I can go back to the schedule. It's now completely clean, and which means we are go through with the options. So this is how you'll be able to use the schedule. Not only for estimation or quantitating purpose, you can use the schedule for the your filter options, filter and schedule options for QCing purpose also. I will link that previous video as well for you to refer how do we use the filter options, and this also will help you to QC quality check your model. So I hope this video helped you. Do like and share it with your learning friends. Do hype the video, which helps us as well. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.